Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming that your carrier and plan support Wi-Fi calling. This avoids wasted steps. Once done, connect your Vivo T2x 5G to a stable Wi-Fi network. Prefer 5 GHz for less interference. Then keep the SIM active. Next, go to Settings to begin enabling the feature. You do this now so the phone can register your number with the carrier. Make sure software is updated. The OS version affects menu labels and seamless activation. You now enable Wi-Fi calling in the phone's network settings. Navigate to SIM and Network, locate Wi-Fi calling and toggle it on. The device will register with the carrier and may ask for your emergency address. Enter it accurately because it's used for 911 routing. Once activated, choose Call Preference. Prefer Wi-Fi for weak cellular areas or prefer cellular to save Wi-Fi bandwidth. Finally, test a call to confirm outbound and inbound audio quality, and note any prompt or registration status. Finish by rebooting the Vivo T2x 5G to finalize registration and clear any temporary network state. This often resolves lingering issues. Then place a short test voice call and send an SMS to confirm both voice and messaging over Wi-Fi. Check caller ID and call stability. If something fails, reset network settings as a targeted troubleshooting step. This clears Wi-Fi and cellular configs without erasing personal files. If problems persist after that,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.